Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. On Friday, November 29, it was Black Friday, so I ordered some items online. I ordered them in Germany from, they are all Siku items, by the way. This box came from Siku and this box came from German Amazon. I got free shipping on both of them because I ordered for €25 from Siku and for €29 by Amazon. Even though I don't live in Germany, I did get free shipping, so that's cool. So let's take a look at what I got. Paper here to protect the stuff. So first I will show this. These are some white gloves I ordered to handle my premium cars. So whenever I want to move around stuff in my display cabinet, every time I have to wipe off the fingerprints from the cars. So I decided to get some white gloves, so I don't have to do that every time. And these are pretty high quality ones. They are actually made for photo equipment to handle camera accessories and stuff like that. So they're washable and stuff, so not throw away. So yeah, that was I had to add something to get free shipping, and this was the perfect thing to add. So I finally have some white gloves, so that's cool. And then the Siku item I got is this one. It's the car transporter. So it's in 1:50 scale. It's number 3934. So a little bit bigger than 164, of course. It's actually pretty huge. These usually are between 40 and €50, and I got this one for €23.99. So that's pretty awesome. I have been eyeballing this one for a long time and keeping an eye on the price, and now it was the time to grab it. So you can transport all kinds of stuff on it: tractors, big rigs, cars, 2, 4, 6, 8 cars. So yeah, that's kind of cool. So I will open this up at the end of the video. If you're still interested in to see that, you can watch till the end. And then the other box from stuff I ordered on the Siku website. So they were also, so they were doing a 20% off promo. There's not a lot of stuff on the website you can order, so they don't have the complete catalog on the website or the web shop. Just a few items, but I did find enough interesting stuff to get my free shipping. So let's see. This is one last item I had to add to get my free shipping. It's a tiny little barbecue. So this was the cheapest item I could find to get to my €25. So this was 55 cents, and with the discounts only 44 cents. So I thought that was kind of cool. So for maybe a future diorama, who knows. What else did I get? I got this one. This is a VW van in a SWAT livery. SWAT vehicle, it says. So that's pretty cool. Let's try to open it up. doesn't say anything on the base regarding the vehicle. Usually they do that, but not on this one. So they got a separate piece for the light bar. Emergency response. Lensed headlights. And it's got the tailgate that opens up. There's yeah, a row of seats you can see. And that's it. It's got a window in the door in the back, so that's cool. Usually in Diecast there's no window in there. It's just completely metal or not see-through. It says multivan and the VW emblem, and the license plate is molded into the casting. It's got a trailer hitch, rubber tires, generic rims. So yeah, pretty cool. Here's a little folder, comes with it. Some of the stuff they have. So you can freeze the frame if you want to look at something in particular. So as you can see, they have a wide variety. Ooh, wow, that's kind of strange because this one is pretty old. So this is kind of an old plier. This is not in the. This is not being sold anymore. So, yeah, interesting. Yeah, this is an old plier. So this is pretty old item. It seems this SWAT one, but that's okay. I like it. Then next up, I got this one. This is the mini set, limited edition. So you get 3 Countrymen's in different colors. So that's also a cool set. This was €12, reduced already to €12 because they cost much more in stores usually. 20% off is €9.60 for these. So €3.20 for each car. That's an okay price. Let's see if we can, well, I'll keep this for the anniversary video at the end of the year. Yeah, I'll show it then. And then got some items that are appropriate for this time of the year, to Christmas items. So these were added just before the Black Friday on their website, because I had been looking at their website before to kind of know if there was something interesting to order on Black Friday, and then I think on Black Friday itself or the day before these appeared. So pretty cool. Let's take a look at them. So it's got this cardboard box. It says Merry Christmas, Frühe Weihnachten, and Joyeux Noël in English, French, and German and French. So let's see what we got here. This is kind of, oh yeah, maybe I have to get this pencil out first. No, I'm going to have to open it up completely. I can't get it out, so it's kind of wedged in there like a puzzle. So we're going to have to open it up to see. Take a look at it. So you got a notepad by Siku. A Siku pencil. You got a Siku eraser that fits in the back of the truck, the rig. And you got the rig itself. It's a fantasy one, but it kind of looks like a Scania in the front. It's not licensed. It's got a Siku name on it. I think this bed, does this tilt or do something? No, that's just fixed. That's okay. You got the 3 axles. So the blue part is metal and then the red bed is plastic. Got a trailer hitch. So that's that. And then the other one, same kind of style of packaging. Got some licensing info by VW. So this one is also locked in there, so it doesn't fall out. So let's open it up. So again, we get a notepad, a little bit thinner than the other one. Siku notepad. It does not have the front like that one. So cool. And nothing else in here. And then we get another VW van. This one is made in Poland, whereas the other one is probably made in China. It doesn't say. So also no info on the vehicle itself, but it's exactly the same as the other one, but doesn't have the light bar on top. This one, oh, this is a van version, so it doesn't have the seats in the back. I didn't know they had 2 versions. That's kind of interesting. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas on both sides, so no other languages on it. This, oh yeah, this is a transporter and the other one is a multivan, sorry. So multivan comes with the seats and the transporter is just a van with no seats in the back. And then you got a clip here to, for instance, put a picture in. In this case, you can just put the tree in there like that. So yeah, thought that was kind of cool. So that's the stuff I got, and I thought it was a great idea to show it at this time of the year in a video. So quite appropriate for this time of the year. So let's see if we can open up the transporter and have a look at that one too. Those of you who are interested. So this is all metal. This is extremely heavy. Big chunk of metal. So this thing comes off, I think, by just pulling. Or maybe not. Or do I have to? Oh yeah, I have to release it. Look at that. Did you see that? So there's a thingy here that you have to push back, and that way you release it. Isn't that awesome? That is very cool. So here's the COE truck or rig. Doesn't say on the base what it is. It is made in China. That's what it does. It say, but it's you can clearly see it's a Mercedes-Benz Actros, a 2048. The cabin does not tilt, but it's got a lot of details on it. It's got an interior too. So some parts are plastic, like this wind deflector is plastic, and the air intake is plastic too, the mirrors, but the rest is metal. The red part is metal, and then the part of the chassis is metal, the part here in the middle. That's all metal, but then the fifth wheel is plastic, together with this small trailer hitch. And then these fenders are plastic too, with these air tanks and the battery box, the fuel tank, the step here, that's all plastic. But yeah, pretty heavy model. The wheels, yeah, they are rubber, all right. So that's a really cool system they got here. Oh yeah, see, it turns and that way it locks it. That's cool. And then we got the trailer, also all metal. Got 2 axles in the back with rubber tires on, a little bit softer tires than the ones on the truck. So this is I think a Austrian company that transports vehicles all over Europe. So it doesn't have a lot of info on the base, but doesn't really need to. Boink, that one's going down already, so you can see it slides in there. So, and this one slides in here. So if you lift this up and pull this back, then this one comes down. And then if we lift this one up and put it down, then the whole thing comes down. So you can transport a truck on there. Just wide enough, like that. It's got these stops molded into the casting for the wheels. So you can put it like that. Well, kind of too big. Oh yeah, the front wheels do lock in there. So that way kind of stays in there, but of course it's a big vehicle. So that's for the heavier ones. And then let's see if we can put some cars on there. So we got a couple of cars here. This is a fantasy casting. Siku does not have a lot of fantasy castings, but this is one of them. It's called the Siku Storm. So, this one up there. Maybe put the van with the high thing top of there too. Really works pretty well on holding it all up there. And then we can put it up and then drive the other ones underneath. Does this lift up too? I don't know. No, it doesn't seem to. So I don't know how you would get up there. Oh yeah, like that. Probably. So these spots are big enough for these cars, because these cars are 1/55 scale and the truck is 1/50 scale. So I don't know why they do that, why they don't just make a 1/55 scale car transporter, because you can see the cars, there's a lot of room left in width to yeah, so could have made it a little bit smaller. Then it would also not be that expensive. But anyways, I just want to see, to get a car here in front, I think you have to like this, and then you lift this up like this, and I think that way, if you drive up here, you can kind of get up there, you see? That's how you do it. And then you can lift it up and put the other ones on. That's how it works. Okay, so that's it for this episode. I wish you all a very good time, whatever you are celebrating at this time of the year, with your friends and family. Have fun, enjoy, have a good time, and I hope to see you again next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.